Selling your home the traditional way, open houses, agents, endless showings, can be stressful, especially when you need speed or the property needs repairs. This insider's guide shows you exactly how to sell your Pensacola home to a local real estate investor the smart way, fast, as is, and with zero headaches. What is a real estate investor, really? A real estate investor isn't your typical homebuyer. They purchase properties not to live in them, but to rent, renovate, or flip for profit. This means, they don't need your home to be perfect, they expect it to need work. They often pay in cash, skipping bank delays. They want a fast, simple transaction, just like you. Investors are a great option when your Pensacola home has deferred maintenance or damage code violations or city liens, problem tenants, inherited ownership issues, foreclosure risk, or if you need to move fast, job relocation, divorce, medical bills, etc. The process. How it works from A to Z. Let's break down how selling to a real estate investor works in Pensacola, especially when working with Quality Properties of Northwest Florida LLC. Step 1. Reach out for an offer. Call us at 850-346-4995 or fill out a form online at qualitypropertiescashbuyer.com. You'll share address, condition of the property, ideal timeline, optional, reason for selling. Step 2. Get a fair cash offer within 24 to 48 hours. You'll receive a no-obligation cash offer. No showings, no cleanup, no fees. Just a number based on Pensacola market value, needed repairs, comparable investor sales in your area, timeline, flexibility. Step 3. Pick your closing date. Want to close in 7 days? Or need 30 days to move? You're in control. Most investors will work around your schedule. Step 4. Close and AMP. Get paid at closing, usually at a local title company. You sign paperwork and walk away with cash in hand. No commissions. No closing costs. No last-minute surprises. Benefits of selling to a real estate investor in Pensacola: speed. Close in as little as 7 to 14 days. Cash offers. No bank loan delays. Sell as is. No repairs, no cleanup, no contractors, no agent fees. Save thousands in commissions. No showings. Just one walkthrough. No open houses. Privacy and AMP. Control. You pick the date. No yard signs. What to watch out for: not every "We buy houses" sign on Cervantes Street is trustworthy. Here's how to know who's real. Are they based in Pensacola or just a national call center? Do they have local reviews and real contact info? Will they actually close on the home, or try to resell your contract? Quality Properties of Northwest Florida is a trusted local buyer. We live here, we close here, and we help our community. You're not just a number. Call us at 8,503,464,995. Visit our website at qualitypropertiescashbuyer.com.